In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to do a reverse image search on Google using your phone. Let's get started. Make sure you have the image ready. It could be a photo from your camera roll, a screenshot, or any saved picture. Now, open your Google app. Over here, you're gonna find this camera icon. Click on that. You can either take a photo directly or tap the image icon in the bottom corner to upload an existing image from your gallery. Once you have selected the image, Google will automatically analyze it and detect objects, text, or landmarks. You can adjust the selection box to focus on a specific part of the image if needed. If you want more accurate results, tap on Add to Search and type in extra details or keywords. After that, you'll see a list of visual matches related to your image. You can explore options like exact matches, similar items, or tap on About this image to get more detailed information. You can also enable AI features for a smarter summary of what Google understands from the image. And that's it. That's how you can easily perform a reverse image search on Google using your mobile phone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.